Welcome, today I am with brand new Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed screen protection. So take a look on the screen. I'm going to catch focus like that. As you can see, when you take a look at the bottom, or right here, near speaker, we cannot find here any kind of the protection. So unfortunately, if you want to protect your smartphone, you have to buy some kind of the foil or screen protector like tempered glass, because we cannot find here any default protection on the display. And this smartphone is from the European distribution. I don't remember if I mentioned that when I start the video, so yeah, we cannot find here anything on the display. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.